welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to Moorbridge to the green grocery shop. So guys, I'm going to take you along with me, and of course today is Saturday. I just need some turmeric because I went yesterday and forgot to take the turmeric up. So I'm just going to go and see if they have any turmeric. So let's go, guys. I am at a truck stop. So let me show you. So guys, big up all my subscribers and thank you so much. Just want you all to know that Michie is monetized now. So, and thank you for the journey. Thank you for coming with me on this journey, guys. It's a pleasure. So let us go to the green grocery shop and see if I can get my turmeric, because I'm gonna make a drink for Michie Boo's channel over by Michie Boo, and I need the turmeric to put in this drink because I am on a health benefit journey to make sure you keep, healthy at 53. Aren't I looking okay? I wouldn't say good, I just say okay, because self-praise is no recommendation, so I say okay. So I'm always drinking healthy stuff. So on Michie Boo channel, that's what I do over there, and Michie channel is just every day out and about, nothing exciting much. It's just a normal channel. So let's go, guys. So guys, we are now leaving the truck stop. So I am going to head on the highway, and it is going to be less than 20 minutes to go into Moorbridge. So I'm doing part of the video going in Moorbridge, guys, and I'm gonna cut it because I don't want this video to be long and drawn out. So there we're coming up to a bridge. Up here, there's a bridge, an overhead bridge, guys. Left hand side of the road there is a sign that marks Moorbridge. They just recently put that sign up, and the sign is looking so beautiful, clean and nice. And today is a nice and sunny day, guys. So coming up on the left hand side, guys, I think you can see the sign. That's a sign marked Moorbridge. So guys, I'm gonna cut this video, and when we get down to the green grocery shop, then you will see what's popping. So guys, we are going in the farm fresh market. They still call it green grocery shop, whichever you want. So we're going in there now. So let's see if they have all that I want. So guys, they have some tomatoes. Let me get should I take a basket? Don't think so. I will just turmeric is normally inside. over that section. So that is where I'm gonna go to look for the tumble. So here you have some lemons over here in bag. I think I'm gonna get a lemon. So I'm gonna need the basket, so let's go and get the basket. Wow. So guys, sorry about that. So you have some tomatoes. $1.99 a kilo. So I'm gonna get a bag, and I'm gonna take some of the tomato. These can use to make my salad for work. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna buy some of the other big ones over the next side. So let's pick up I don't want them too ripe, guys. This is good. That's about it. So let's go and look for turmeric. And here we have some mangoes. We have things in the fridge over this part, which is strawberry, blueberry. So guys, let's go inside and see if they have any turmeric. So here we have silver beet that I plant at home for $4.50. So I'm saving myself some, and kale is for $3.50. I'm saving myself some buying those. So here we have carrots. Got the carrots. Oh, you have to. I would want purple carrot alone to use. Maybe by mixing it with beet or something. So let's go down and see if I find my oh goodness, thank God they have some. So I'm gonna pick up some, guys. This bag is so hard to clear. You see how expensive. I'm gonna have to plant some turmeric. I'll just take this amount. Here we have okra. Here you have pumpkin. And all these sweet potato. I have some sweet potato at home already. I just don't need that much. They have some red ones, some darker ones which are good, and they're sweeter. So I'll look around to see if I see any of them. Guys, I just find the sweet potato. These are really sweet ones. Zucchini squash. I have white one, white potato, white sweet potato. So guys, I am going to go out in a bit. Over here you have a lot of sauce and salad dressing, cakes. Oh my goodness. How much is this? I think this is so nice to have the red dragon fruit. I'm gonna purchase. I need 2 of them, but I need that. Oh yes, this is a nice small one. So I don't know how much for those 2. And this is where I buy my pineapple. You see the pineapples are pretty. And here we have some figs for $5.99. Lime and cherries and plums and mangoes. So guys, here we have some green plantains up here. I think I'm gonna buy 2 of the plantain because I like plantain and Tony like plantain too. And guess what guys, you have some flowers over here. And of course I'm gonna go and cash out now. So guys, we are almost at the end of this video. Potato bake, some dry stuff, a lot of orange dry. I could do this. Chocolate almond. I think this is apple, dry apples. People can eat dry apples, which is good. And over here you have a nut and nuts. So guys, I'm gonna go to the cashier now, which is over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up guys. Share with a friend. And you have a little meat section over here. Subscribe to the channel for more guys. See you in the next video. Anybody. So guys, I am walking out.